Hey, welcome back to this video. Yo. I'm going to talk about the 5 business models and skills that you basically need that will make you a lot of money between now and this time next year. I had to really sit back to make this video because I've seen that a lot is changing, trends are changing, the economic system is changing, people are really looking for ways to make a lot of money. If you are in Africa, probably in Nigeria, you know that things are a bit tough right now. Cost of things are almost like times 3 of itself as compared to the beginning of the year. So there's a level of discomfort among people right now in terms of how to survive. And what people want to master right now is how they can make more money for themselves. So I did a research and I found out 5 business models and skill sets together that will help you make a lot of money. If you pay attention to these things and begin to take action on time, you stay profitable. Number one, the first one I'm going to talk about is how to sell. Knowing how to sell is one of the greatest skills of all time. I mean, knowing how to sell any kind of product. Right now that I'm speaking with you, I've learned that skill and I'm improving myself on that skill every single time. I can sell physical products, I can sell digital products. I've sold them in the millions of it. I've sold digital products and generated millions from it, sold physical products, I've done so. And of course, I'm constantly improving myself around selling products over the internet. So knowing how to sell is an advantage. You could use it to raise money. I mean, almost like immediately. Let's say you have a need of $2,000. You create an offer of $20 and sell to 100 people. That's $2,000 for you. Knowing how to sell this product across will help you raise money when you need it. So knowing how to sell is amazing. And the next question you ask me, Joshua, how do I learn how to sell? Well, if you want to know how to sell, I have this personal mentorship program that I teach people how to sell. Probably you could subscribe to it if you go to the link on the description part of this video, or probably showing your screen, which is www.mbadjoshua.com/book, B-O-O-K, book. You get to book a session with me where we talk about these things, and then I will mentor you through the process. Number 2 skill set is Forex trading. Forex trading is one of the amazing opportunities out there that I recommend everybody should really start paying attention to, where it necessarily doesn't require you to be a financial expert. It basically doesn't even require you to know how to move money around. It's just for you to find a broker, know the currency pairs to trade part-time, and do the right trades. The amazing thing about Forex trading is that now that we have a lot of economic crisis, it's also to your advantage. You could leverage on the economic crisis to make a lot of money in the FX market. And I've already had a talk with my friend, my very good friend, who is a financial market advisor and also an expert there. We will be coming together over time to make amazing content, videos and trainings and programs for you guys around the Forex market and how you can leverage on the market to make a lot of money for yourself while you are still doing other businesses you are doing, right? The next topic is artificial intelligence. Start paying attention to AI right now. It's becoming crazy. Don't feel like the buzz is over. It's just about getting started. There's going to be a lot of dynamics and changes. And the next one is content creation. Content creation requires you to create content for yourself. And amazingly, I've always said content creators are at massive advantage. That means that the advantage they have is that they are in the face of people every time because they are making content. So brands will pay them to influence for them, make content for their product, and they are well paid. Sometimes charge up to $5,000, $10,000 to influence for products. So if you're making content consistently, you have opportunity to become an influencer, and of course you have opportunity to build a big followership and custom and community base where you can literally sell any kind of products to them. And it's so beautiful. So if you don't even know where to start by making videos on YouTube like this, or on Instagram, or on any other social media platform that you can attract your dream customers. And the last one is learning how to launch products. This is something that is not always talked about, but knowing how to launch products on different platforms is seriously one power skill. It could be softwares, it could be programs, it could be books or physical products. Is a massive skill, and I'll be talking about it subsequently in my YouTube video. But make sure you could literally go on the internet and research about all of this stuff and begin to capitalize on it, because this will make you a lot of money between now and this time next year. If you enjoyed this video, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with someone around you. It will definitely help them, and see you in my next video. Peace.